DataBox Analytics Review. Watch before using. Most people get analytics wrong. They either drown in data or can't see what matters, but you won't believe what happens next when you use DataBox. DataBox is a business analytics platform that aggregates data from multiple sources like Google Analytics, Shopify, HubSpot, and more into one intuitive dashboard. It provides real-time insights, performance tracking, and goal monitoring. The surprising truth about DataBox is its ease of use. You don't need a data science degree to understand key metrics. Drag and drop dashboards, visual charts, and automated reports help businesses make quick, informed decisions. Most people get this wrong. They assume analytics tools are expensive or complex. DataBox offers scalable plans, mobile apps, and integrations that make analytics accessible for small businesses and startups, not just large enterprises. The platform is best for marketers, managers, and business owners who need clear, actionable insights without spending hours analyzing raw data. You can track KPIs, monitor campaigns, and even receive alerts when metrics hit specific thresholds. The surprising truth is that DataBox transforms data overload into clear insights, helping businesses save time, make smarter decisions, and improve performance. Subscribe for more honest analytics software reviews to help you grow your business efficiently.